Hi everyone, this is currently available on Creative Fabrica as part of their All Access subscription.
It's a shaped birthday card. So these are all the pieces. You get the card base, the mat, the word mat, the words, and some flowers. It's super easy to put together. You just fold it in half. At this point here, you can score that if you want to. Just line up the front and the back. And press that down. Then you've got this front part, which basically covers the entirety of the front. Then it's the word mat. Next, you can put on the words.
I'm positioning them so that there's a drop shadow to the right.
And then the flowers.
You could shape the flowers or use foam tape for some added dimension.
Add some embellishments.
I'm using some flat back acrylic pearls. I forgot to dot the I, but I do sort that out later.
And there you have it. A really pretty, retro-esque shaped birthday card.
Links for the card and Creative Fabrica's All Access subscription are in the comments.